If you're living with diabetes, this might be the most powerful meal you'll ever eat. I'm going to show you how to build the perfect dinner for lowering blood sugar fast, backed by science, not guesswork. It's just 5 whole food ingredients that work together to lower fasting glucose, repair insulin resistance, and give you steady energy, all while tasting amazing. And the best part, every single food in this bowl has been shown in clinical studies to improve insulin sensitivity or fasting glucose. Let's build it together. Step 1, the fiber base. Start with a big bed of kale and baby spinach. These greens form the foundation of your insulin sensitivity meal. In one randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled crossover study, consuming kale with a meal lowered post-meal blood sugar compared to control. They're loaded with fiber, magnesium, natural nitrates, and phytonutrients that improve blood flow and help insulin reach your cells faster. Think of these greens like cleaning the locks on your cells so insulin can finally turn the key. Step 2, what I call the protein and fiber stabilizer. Chickpeas. Add a cup of chickpeas, cooked or canned and rinsed. Legumes like chickpeas are incredible for blood sugar control. Research shows that chickpeas and other legumes reduce post-meal glucose responses and improve long-term insulin sensitivity. What's going on here? The soluble fiber and resistant starch in chickpeas feed your gut bacteria, creating short-chain fatty acids, which enhance insulin signaling in your muscle cells. So, when you build this bowl, you're not only stabilizing your blood sugar today, you're training your body to respond better tomorrow. Step 3, the real food carbohydrate, mango and quinoa mix. Now we come to the fruity, sweet, and hearty part. 1/4 cup cooked quinoa and 1/2 cup mango. Yes, you heard that right. Mango and quinoa. Mango brings natural sweetness, vitamins, and hydration. Quinoa brings complete plant protein plus fiber and minerals. In clinical trials, replacing refined grains with whole grains has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and enhance glucose metabolism. For example, one study found an 8-week whole grain diet significantly improved peripheral insulin sensitivity in obese adults. Together, they give your cells fuel with purpose, not fuel that spikes glucose and leaves you crashing. Step 4, the antioxidant color burst. Pomegranate seeds and red onion. Add 1/2 cup pomegranate and some diced red onion. Pomegranate juice was shown in a 2014 clinical trial to reduce fasting blood sugar and beta cell stress in people with type 2 diabetes. Red onions bring quercetin and other flavonoids that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are 2 key drivers of insulin resistance. In short, you're repairing from the inside out while the rest of the meal gives you stability. Step 5, the light, healthy fat and mineral crunch. Pumpkin seeds and flax. Top it off with a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds and a teaspoon ground flaxseed. These seeds deliver magnesium, zinc, ALA omega-3, and lignans, all nutrients shown to support insulin receptor function and lower fasting glucose. Notice I said light, healthy fat. Yes, seeds contain fat, but they're fiber-rich and they're a whole food, very different from pure oils. In appropriate amounts, these help your cells, not block them. Step 6, the metabolic support dressing. Whisk together 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lime juice, and 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. Apple cider vinegar isn't just a fad. In multiple randomized controlled trials summarized in a 2025 meta-analysis, daily intake of around 30 milliliters was shown to significantly reduce body weight, BMI, and waist circumference in people who are overweight, obese, or have type 2 diabetes. These benefits likely come from improved insulin sensitivity and activation of the AMPK pathway. which enhances fat burning and glucose uptake. Lime juice and mustard bring extra phytochemicals and enhance flavor so you don't need heavy oil. This isn't just dressing, it's metabolic support. Step 7, assemble your blood sugar healing bowl. Okay, let's put it together. Start with a base of kale and spinach, plus quinoa, add chickpeas, layer mango, sprinkle pomegranate and red onion, top with pumpkin seeds and flax, and then drizzle the apple cider lime dressing. You now have a scientifically built meal to reverse insulin resistance. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Greens slow initial glucose entry, chickpeas stabilize blood sugar and train insulin response, mango and quinoa provide fuel without clogging your cells, pomegranate and red onion reduce oxidative stress, seeds deliver mineral support, the dressing helps flatten your curve and tone your insulin sensitivity. This is food as medicine. Try this bowl for dinner 3 days in a row. Test your blood glucose before, 1 hour after, and 2 hours after. Chances are you'll see smaller peaks, faster return to baseline, and energy that lasts. That's what it feels like when your insulin sensitivity improves in real time. If you want our full set of meals built this way, designed to clean your cells, lower your A1C, and free you from insulin resistance, comment guide below and we'll send you our recipe book for free. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.